Welcome back to the UK's Dad How Do I channel, and today I'm going to go through weekly checks with my car. I do more miles nowadays, so I haven't checked last week or the week before, so I should really check. So I've got some coolant, I've got some oil, I've got some rags. I'm just going to find out how to do it and go through it with you. So let's have a go. And you'll notice the car is on the flat. I'm just going to check the level and shut. Okay, this is my coolant reservoir. Checking the lid is nice and tight. This is my minimum level and my maximum level, and the level's just right. And that's tight. This is my brake fluid reservoir. Just checking that the lid is nice and tight. Levels, if I give it a shake, I can see the max level and you can see the min level. That's all looking good. This is my screen wash, and I topped that up recently, although there's space there, so I will just get some screen wash. Just for my peace of mind so that it's full. Now, oil. That looks low. So now we have that clean. We're looking for a level between that mark and that mark being max, that mark being min. Oh, it is in between. Do you see that? But it's not, I would want it sort of at least halfway. So we will put in some oil. So we've checked what oil we need. And in Halfords, you can just put your number plate in and select the right oil for you. And at the minute, Halfords had a sale on oil, which was helpful. Now the oil filled cap is here. Give us a chance to look on the inside. There's nothing wrong there. Just carefully pour it in. So from the minimum point on your dipstick to the maximum is probably about 1 litre. So if I pour half of this in, and that's about half, then I'll have half a litre spare that I can pop in the boot. And then I won't have to buy any oil. Let's clean my filler cap. That oil will drain through the system. Where are we at now? Oh yeah, so just above halfway now. I'm happy with that. So you should check your oil every week. And you'll notice I didn't just check my oil. I also check the other parts, my coolant, my brake reservoir, that cap, that's fully down, my screen wash is fully down. A visual check just to make sure there's nothing out of place. fan belt is still connected. I can see there's no issues there. The fan belt's just down the side. Well, I don't think they call it a fan belt, it's called an auxiliary belt. But that's all in order. The only thing that I haven't done is checking the tyres. My car has just had 4 new tyres, so I know that the tyres are good. But now I know that my oil is good and everything else is fine with the car. So it's just necessary to check the oils in your car, because the oil keeps your engine healthy and stops it from wearing out. So make sure you do check your oil sometimes. And the books do say to do it every week. So if you can do it every week, do it every other week. But try to, because it could save you a fortune if your oil most likely stop your engine from seizing and exploding. So good luck giving it a go. Make sure you get your right oil. I'm going to put this in the boot, ready for the next time. See ya.